guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing awesome. Oh my god, I am doing a makeup tutorial like literally after a century now. In case you guys don't know, my skin was breaking out a lot and I decided to take a 3-month break from makeup just so that I let my skin breathe and heal. So that's the reason I was not making makeup tutorials in the beginning, but I am so glad that I can finally make new videos on makeup and try out new makeup looks. Staying without makeup is no joke, guys. I mean, personally, I don't really wear makeup out on a regular basis, but I do love creating eye looks. So in the night, I used to stand in front of the mirror and then experiment a lot with looks. So I really missed all of that, and now I'm so glad I can finally create more makeup looks. So guys, for today I'm going to be creating this nice, warm, cozy fall makeup look, perfect for any cold fall day like today. Let me tell you that I've been planning to make this video from like a month now, but then I kept delaying it simply because I was too lazy. But we are not gonna delay it anymore, and I promise you guys this is not gonna happen in the future, and I'm gonna make regular videos from now on. So guys, you might wanna watch this video until the very end because I have something very interesting coming up which I have to inform you guys about. Having said that, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Also grab some pumpkin spice latte, or if you're not a pumpkin spice latte person like me, you can just grab a mug of hot chocolate and sit back and enjoy the video. So let's get right into it. So guys, first off, I'm gonna be starting with a sheet mask. I have a couple of sheet masks over here. These are by Jiju and this is Garnier. So I'm gonna go for this mask right here. So this is the first time I'm trying out a sheet mask from Jiju. I'm just gonna open the sheet and apply it on my face. Guys, once the sheet mask starts to come out, that is when you know that it is time to take it off. I completely lost track of time, guys, so in the further clips you can see that my mask is coming off while I'm still talking. So in case there's any excess of serum in the packet, you can take it and apply it on your neck. I'm gonna leave this on my skin for around 15 to 20 minutes, and till the sheet mask dries on my skin, I'm quickly gonna tell you about the sheet mask. So I chose to go with this sheet mask because of course I haven't gone to the parlor in ages and it helps in cleaning your skin. So all of these masks cost rupees 150 and they're pretty great, guys. So Jeju is a Korean brand. You guys might have heard of Jeju Island in South Korea. They've named it after that, and the sheet masks are pretty nice, guys. It's really hydrating. I can feel it. The way they've named each mask is so classy. The packaging is so sleek. So the name of this mask is This Sheet is Bananas. So it has hyaluronic acid. You can try this out when your skin is extremely dry and you want a boost of hydration on your face. Are you sheeting me? Basically it has aloe vera. You can basically apply this mask for 20 minutes on your skin whenever you're breaking out, or whenever your skin is stressed. Yeah, this is what I used today, and this is basically to purify your skin. This is really gonna help you cleanse your pores, and that is why I used this today because I'm not going to the parlor again and I really needed something to cleanse my pores. So I guess it has been 20 minutes and I'm just gonna peel off my mask. So refreshing. Yes, there's a little bit of excess of serum which is gonna be on your skin, and you just wanna massage it into your skin. In case there's any extra serum left, you can always drag it down to your neck and your hands. I'm gonna start doing my makeup now, but before that I just wanna quickly prep my lips. So I'm gonna be using this lip balm over here by Wild Earth. It's an organic brand and it's pretty hydrating. I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids, and for that I'm gonna use this concealer and a brush like this and apply it on my entire eyelid. Just make sure you blend it pretty well. Now set it with the help of a setting powder or a compact powder. Make sure you comb your brows in an upward direction and then shape it accordingly. If you feel you need it, you can also fill in your brows and shape them properly. For my eyes, I'm gonna start with this shade right here. Take sufficient product, dust off the excess, apply it on my crease. So just in case you were not able to see that clearly, I have taken an orangish brown shade and I have buffed it on my crease as a transition shade. Next, I'm gonna be taking this shade from the same palette. I'm gonna take this light brown shade from the palette and buff it on my crease. Gonna keep it slightly lower than the previous one. I use both the shades on my lower lash line as well. First off, this transition shade. Make sure you connect the shadows. Now I'm gonna take this chocolate brown shade from the palette and apply it on my crease. I'm gonna slightly build it up until I'm satisfied with the result. Make sure you slightly drag it so that you connect it to your lower lash line. Please make sure you use a pencil brush on your lower lash line. So guys, I forgot to bring my eyeliner, so I'm gonna take a brush like this and I'm gonna stamp some black eyeshadow. I'm gonna finish my base and then come back to my eyes. So I'm gonna start by priming my face and I'm gonna use a brush like this and put my primer on it and apply it on my face. If you feel like it, you can also use your hands. Don't forget to drag it down to your neck. For my foundation today, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Stay Fresh Foundation. So guys, you wanna take minimal product and blend it on your skin, and if you feel that you require more, you can always take more. So any medium coverage foundation, you can follow the same steps. Now I'm gonna apply my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer under my eyes and on my high points to brighten them up. Make sure you blend it in really well. I bet you do not want your makeup to crease, right? So make sure you set it using a setting powder or a compact powder. Make sure you drag it down to your neck as well. To give your face some warmth, use a nice warm undertoned bronzer. How can you say no to some flush of color on your cheeks? Use any pinky or peachy blush. Without highlighter, you are not gonna get the fall vibe, so apply highlighter till you are satisfied. You can apply the highlighter on your cheekbones, on your nose, on your cupid's bow, on your chin and on your forehead. Also, I'm gonna take a brush like this which I used for my eyeshadow and I'm gonna slightly contour my nose. Coming back to my eyes, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone and my inner corners. For precision, you can also use a brush like this, or you can simply use a fan brush to highlight your brow bone. Up next, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply a thick coat of mascara. Guys, please do not forget your lower lashes because they are equally important too. Your makeup is never complete without using a lipstick. So I'm gonna line my lips with a brown lip liner and fill it in. Then I'm gonna move on to my lipstick. For today, I am gonna use the shade Rococo. So guys, I wanted to go for something a little more warm undertoned, but then Rococo was a little too not warm undertoned. So I decided to go with this shade from Nykaa called Chai on top of Rococo. So this is the final result. That is it for this video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Please try to recreate it. Also, if you recreate this look, please tag me on my Instagram. I'll leave the ID over here, or you can simply DM me. Here comes the big news. I am gonna be recreating one look of Blair Waldorf from Gossip Girl. You guys can select whichever Blair Waldorf look from Gossip Girl and DM it to me on my Instagram. You can just let me know the season and episode numbers so that I can recreate it for you. So yeah, with that, it's a wrap, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. With that, I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, bye!